Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to assemble my new kit that is Christmas mini books. They look like this. Just let me grab my chair and I will show you the books. Okay. There is small envelope in which you can find small note. Let me just show how they look and I will explain. There is small note here. A lot of mini tags, as you can see, and mini pockets. Again, mini tags and mini pockets. Again, mini tags and mini pockets. Also, this is mini pocket tags. Okay, so I will explain fast. In the kit you will receive 5 pages. You will have 3 covers and a lot of small tags and small pictures for decoration, a lot of small pockets and envelopes to decorate. Let me just show you. It's very easy to assemble this one. So this is the last cover. You are going to fold it here, here and here. So I've already used scoring board, but you're free to choose. Do you want to use scoring board? I prefer to use scoring board because I think that it looks better because I have problems with folding. Also, with this kit you are going to receive a Christmas gift. Mystery Christmas gift. It's very easy to assemble the cover. Also, it is already done. Also, it is very easy to assemble the pages. So we need to stick those 2 pages together. This is why we are going to bend it like this. And we need to stick those 2 and those 2. So when you bend it like this, you bend it in the opposite direction. And like this. It's very easy. So that when you stick it, they will be like that. Let me use my glue. In a previous video with my mini books, I said that I like to use glue stick, but I forgot to buy one, so I'm using this kind of glue. Okay, this page is ready. It looks like this. Let me just fold the rest of the pages. Again, it's very easy. Very, very easy. Like this. We are sticking the first page together. This is the second page, and this will be the third page. And the last. This one, I mean this kit is full with a lot of magical creatures. So this is how to assemble it. It's very, very easy. But first I'm going to stick this miniature it's like a label in front of the cover here, like that, and I'm going to put this small envelope full with mini note. It's mini envelope on the first cover here. Let me just stick it. Okay. And to glue the pages, it's very easy. Just take the whole pages together and put the glue like this. And just put put it like here on the spine of the book, press it, and probably take something to squeeze the books together, and it is completely ready. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in my next video, and please subscribe for my channel because this will help me to develop my channel more. This kit is available in my Etsy shop, so if you're interested in, just go and check it out. And I wish you to have very Merry Christmas. Bye bye guys.